everyone, Nut-Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Wowbutter Christmas crack. Okay, so for the ingredients for these, you need 40 salted crackers. I'm just using the saltine Kroger brand crackers. Then you need 1 cup of salted butter, which is 2 sticks. Then you need 1 cup of packed light brown sugar. Then you need 3/4 cup of Wowbutter, the creamy kind. And then you need 2.5 cups of any kind of chocolate chips you want. I'm using the milk chocolate chips. And then you need 1/2 cup of sprinkles, and I'm using just these Christmas sprinkles and Hersheyyettes. Alright, so first you want to go ahead and preheat your oven to 400. And then you're going to line your baking sheet with parchment paper, and you need to use one of the bigger ones. Like this one, I believe, is a 16 by 12 by 1, and you need to make sure it has the rims, like this is 1 inch. And then lay down your parchment paper, and then just lay out your 40 crackers, however you can fit them. Next, over medium heat in a saucepan, melt your butter and your brown sugar and stir that often. Alright, that is looking nice and melted together. So now you just want to bring it to a boil, and we're going to let it boil for 3 minutes. And at that time, you need to stop stirring it after it starts to boil, which mine is just about there. So I'm going to probably start my timer now. Okay, as you can see, that is really starting to boil now. We're heating things up. Okay, my 3 minutes is just about up, so I am going to remove this from the burner, and I'm just going to pour it evenly over all of my crackers. Alright, that looks great. You just want to make sure you really cover all of your crackers. And if you need to spread it out, you can. It's not a big deal. So now we're going to go ahead and put this in our oven for 5 to 6 minutes, or until it's bubbling. Okay, mine was only in there for 4 minutes. As you can see, it is super bubbling, so I went ahead and took it out. Now you're just going to dollop your Wowbutter all over, just in dollups, all over the crackers. Okay, now we're just going to put this back in the oven for 1 more minute. Okay, now we're going to just spread this out, and then we're going to add our chocolate chips over top. Alright, stick that back in the oven for 1 more minute. Alright, you can go ahead and turn your oven off now, and we are going to go ahead and just spread these out, and then add your sprinkles and your Hersheyettes. Okay, that looks super cute. I went ahead and pushed my Hersheyettes down a little bit inside, just to make sure it really sticks. So we're going to let these cool for a couple minutes, and then stick them in the freezer for 15 to 20 minutes. My 20 minutes is up, so I went ahead and took it out of the freezer and just broke it into little pieces. Mine could have really set up a little longer, so if you want to leave yours in the freezer a little more than that, go ahead and do that. But I'm just going to keep it in this airtight container in the refrigerator. So let's see what Taste Tester thinks. Alright, Taste Tester, have a little taste.
Yummy.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Alright, everyone, come back and see us again, and don't forget to like and subscribe.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. I like it.
Bye.
Bye.